guys, we have got the Yo Gabba Gabba Squishy Pals, and they're big squishy fun. You can see how soft they are, and you can stretch them and pull them into all sorts of different shapes. And then at the end, we're gonna open up one of the Squishy Pals and see what is inside. 'Cause I'm really curious, what in the world is inside? Is it a liquid? Is it a gel? Is it slime? So we're gonna cut open one of the Squishy Pals, but let's get started.
I'll do Plex first.
Do Plex first?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that! You can make him in all sorts of squishy shapes. Pull his antenna and his ears. Whoop. Doot, doot, doot.
What's inside these ones? What's inside?
These are really cool.
What's inside these?
And there is Plex. Now who should we open next?
Muno.
Muno?
Yeah, he opened. And I'll open him. I'll open him.
Look at that! He stretches. Let's see if we can... Oh, that's weird. That's just a little weird. I don't know if we needed to see that, Muno. And they're a little sticky on the outside. They've got a little bit of a stick feel to them. And let's see. Let's do Foofa next. This looks like water. Maybe water inside. I don't know. Let's see. I'm having a lot of fun with this. Okay, Toodee next. I wonder what she does too. Ooh, Toodee's really soft. Let's see what Toodee does. Toodee's the softest of them all. Muno is a little sticky. Don't forget, at the end we're going to open up one of these and see what's inside of them. Would you like that?
Yeah.
Who do you think we should open up and cut into? You don't know.
No, I like Muno.
Brobee kind of looks like a frog. Orbit. Orbit. Orbit.
Muno does. And Muno looks like water.
Muno looks like water.
No, I mean Muno looks like bubbles.
Let me see it for a second.
He looks like a bubbles.
Alright, we've got Brobee and we're ready to see what's inside of him. Because I'm really curious what that is. So let's get out a pair of scissors. Oh, it's slimy! Ah! Gross!
What is it?
It's like slimy slime. Uh-oh, Brobee's deflating. He's flat now. And there's lots of it in there. Well, he's now empty, so we have an empty Brobee and a bunch of slime. You want to touch it?
And my shirt.
You're going to wipe it on your shirt?
Yeah, because it's super wet, dirty and wet.
It is super wet and dirty. And now you know what is in a Squishy Pal. Yucky yuck! Thanks for watching, everyone, and I will talk to you later. Bye!